Today you will learn how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. You can also download the source file. Link is given in the description. Please support and subscribe Easy Guide YouTube channel. So first of all, let me place an image by going to File menu, choose Place. Select your desired image and click Place. Drag with the left click to place the image. So by using the clipping mask, I can cut this image in a circle shape. But first of all, let me remove these blue cross lines by clicking this embed button. Now let me draw a circle by right clicking on rectangle tool and choose ellipse tool. Press and hold left click and draw a circle by pressing shift key to draw a perfect circle. Now I will have to place this circle on the part which I want to cut. Let me remove the fill color to none so that you can clearly see what I am cutting. Add a little bit of stroke to get the idea where is our circle now. Now adjust image or circle to see which part we want to make a clipping mask. Now select image and circle both. Right click and choose make clipping mask. So you can see we have successfully created a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. But I request you to watch the complete video to fully understand this clipping mask option. I also request you to support and subscribe the channel to learn more premium graphic design tutorials. So now if you resize the circle, the image will automatically adjust with that. If you want to manually adjust or resize the image, you can double click on this circle. This bar will appear, it means now you are inside this circle. You can see this area is according to the size of image. Now you can manually adjust the image. When you are done, make sure to click this back icon to get out of this circle. So this is a simple clipping mask. You can use any shape like rectangle, circle, polygon or star shape to make a clipping mask. Let me tell you another method to edit the inner image without going inside the circle. As you know, in Adobe Illustrator, we work on the layers, and when we design anything, we actually put layers on each other. So go to Layers panel, and if you don't have Layers panel here, go to Window, choose Layer or simply press F7 on your keyboard. The Layers panel will appear. Here expand these layers with arrow key. Let me increase the size of Layers panel so that you can clearly see the name of layers. You can see the clip group which we created earlier. In this clip group, we have an ellipse and an image. If I want to edit any shape, I will simply click here to select that specific shape. You can see the image is selected and its bounding box has appeared. Now you can adjust the image easily without going inside the circle. So this was a simple clipping mask. Let me show you another method that professionals use to create a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. Let me place the image again. Now draw a simple circle shape by pressing shift key on your keyboard. Also embed the image as we done before. Another important thing to remember is the circle shape should be on top of the image. If I place it under the image, then you can see this warning is appearing that cannot make a clipping mask. So the circle shape should be on top of the image. If I place it here, then I am selecting this pen tool and selecting this area. You can see I have created another shape using pen tool. And now I am selecting these both shapes and go to Window, Pathfinder and choose Unite option. Let me remove the stroke and add black fill color. You can see I have shape like this. Now select this image and this black shape and make a clipping mask. So you will get a shape like this, which is looking more professional than first clipping mask. Another important thing to note is that it is not necessary to have an image to make a clipping mask. You can also create a clipping mask of different shapes and paths. Here I have some simple shapes. Now I will select this circle and bring it to front. Now place the circle. Let me remove the fill color and add a stroke. Make a clipping mask. So you can adjust these shapes. And here is our clipping mask using different shapes. You can also create a clipping mask using simple text. For example, I have a simple text and this image. Let me embed this image. Now select the text and bring it to front. Remove the fill color to correctly place the text on your desired area. And add a little bit of stroke. Now right click and create a clipping mask or go to Object, Clipping Mask and click Make. You can also press shortcut key Ctrl 7 to create a clipping mask. The best thing about this is our text is still 100% editable. If you want to bring the image back in normal shape, then right click and choose Release Clipping Mask. You can see our image and text is back in normal shape. Let me show you a cool text effect using the technique we have recently used. Let me remove the fill color and choose a light stroke. Now adjust the text at your desired place. I am placing the text on the most right side. To create a text effect, I will have to convert this text into outline. Now place the text on the right side by clicking here. Now zoom the image, select pen tool and select this area. So you can see we have created another shape. Now select this shape and L shape also. Choose Unite option in the Pathfinder panel. Remove the stroke and fill a color to see the shape. Now select the image and make a clipping mask. So you can see we have created some cool effects using the clipping mask option in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you have learned how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.